Hello, smart mathematicians. Let's do question 4.1. In the diagram, M is the center of the circle, having Pn as the diameter. This is M, the center of the circle. Then KL is a tangent to the circle at N. Calculate the coordinates of P. So to calculate the coordinates of P, we can use the midpoint formula because M is the midpoint of Pn. So we can find x at P, we can find y at P using the midpoint formula. Right, according to the midpoint formula then, x at P plus 7 divided by 2 must give us 3. So let's just do that. We're saying x at P plus 7 divided by 2 must give us 3, the midpoint. Remember the midpoint formula is x, it will be x at P plus x at N divided by 2. And then the y coordinate will be y at P plus y at N divided by 2. So this whole thing is equal to 3. And then this whole thing is equal to -5. Okay, so we've done the x coordinate one. Let's do the y. So y at P plus y at N, which is -2, divided by 2 must give us -5. Okay, right here we can multiply both sides by 2, and then we get x at P plus 7 is equal to 6. We subtract 7 from both sides of the equation, then x at P is equal to -1, right? And then here we multiply by 2 on both sides of the equation, y at P minus 2, because plus -2 is minus 2, is equal to -10, right? And then we add 2 on both sides of the equation, y at P is equal to -8. Therefore, the coordinates of P will be -1, -8.